The easiest digital side hustle to start using AI is making me $17,000 monthly. So if you've been looking for a simple way to start making money online, this video is for you. My name is Gina Babak. I went from a broke day trader who lost $200,000 to a full-time online marketer who makes $17,000 monthly with digital marketing. In this video, I will explain how to use AI to create and sell your own profitable digital products fast, even if you are a complete beginner and starting from zero. I spent years testing different ways to make money online, and I believe digital marketing is the easiest side hustle to start with AI right now. At the end of this video, I will also show you how you can clone a profitable online business and start making money in no time. Now, why do I think this will work for you as a side hustle? Well, I've been creating and selling digital products and receiving a full-time income from this since 2018, and I am in the top 25% of digital product vendors on WarriorPlus. But what is most important, I created a digital program that is making me $17,000 monthly, and it makes a lot of money for my affiliates, so I know it works for everyday people as well. So what are digital products? These are educational or entertainment formatted digital products. Things like courses, memberships, workshops, PDFs, spreadsheets, or Canva templates, and the list goes on. Years ago, creating digital products from scratch was challenging. However, today, with AI tools like DeepSeek and Gemini, you can create and start selling your own digital products quickly and easily. But what I like most is you only need to create your digital product once, and you can sell it over and over again and scale your profit to thousands. And if you know how to use automation, your automated online business will work for you 24/7 and on autopilot. And this is how you create a freedom lifestyle. But if I could give you only one advice, this would be it. No need to reinvent the wheel. Model what works. In description to this video, you will find a link to my free training and a done-for-you business called AFFILIAXA. So if you want to see how it works, just subscribe for my free training and follow the steps. So let's create our first digital product using Gemini and DeepSeek. Step 1. Finding the idea. Here is my example. Go to Gemini and use this prompt. Prompt 1. I like the idea of teaching people how to make money online with AI. What do you think would be 5 good digital product ideas that I could create that would sell online profitably? Step 2. Brainstorming the title. Prompt 2. I like the idea of creating an ebook on the topic of general tips for selling digital products online. Later, I will ask you to create this ebook for me, but first, give me 5 title examples. Step 3. Creating a list of bullet points for the ebook. Prompt 3. The readers of this book should start from zero and learn how they can create a profitable digital product from the idea to a detailed plan on how to sell the product online. Create a list of bullet points for the ebook. Step 4. Creating an ebook. Based on these bullet points, I want you to write an engaging ebook, and the ebook should not be super long, but instead should lead to a result for the reader with as little effort as possible on their part. Make sure each module offers enough information and links to resources the reader may need to use when creating this business. Also, make sure the ebook can be published using Canva. Step 5. Create complete ebooks with AI. You will find a lot of videos online on how to create an ebook in Canva, or you can also use AI tools like Ebook Maker to turn your ideas into amazing ebooks in a snap with no specific knowledge required. Now, when your ebook is ready, you may host it on Google Drive, or as I would recommend, you can host it on System.io. This is the easiest all-in-one marketing platform, and many online marketers use it to run their entire online business. You can create sales pages, websites, host your digital products, create emails, and so much more. Here is the elephant in the room. How do you sell your new digital product? Well, you may try to sell it on platforms like Etsy or Amazon, but this is not the way I recommend. They say money is in the email list, and this is true. You need to start building your follow-up and grow your email list of people who are interested in what you do. And please do not panic. This is easier than you think. There are 2 ways to grow your email list. Number 1, use social media. Yes, you may use social media to generate free traffic and promote your products. And in description to this video, I share my social media mastery kit program that will give you everything you need to know about social media. Number 2, use paid traffic. If you are anything like me, you want results faster, hey, just watch my video about solo ads as the best traffic source for affiliate and digital marketing. You will learn how you can build your email list predictably fast and make money using solo ads. The link is in the description. But what if you could clone a highly profitable online business and start making money within your first week? Sounds too good to be true? Yes, it sounds too simple and easy for you now, but I invested 3 years and more than $100,000 to build my business and create this opportunity for you. As a full-time online marketer, I noticed that people do not want to spend years to learn. They just want to earn money. So I created the shortcut for you. Meet AFFILIAXA, the #1 side hustle and a done-for-you online business anyone can afford. The idea is simple and powerful. You get access to a done-for-you online business that is proven to generate thousands weekly for every everyday people just like you. Do you want to see how it works? You will find the free training link in the description. Also, this is what I wanted to share with you at the end of the video, and this is what they do not usually tell you. Marketing is the hardest part. So before you even start thinking about creating your own digital product or affiliate program, you may join any affiliate program you like and just try to make a few sales using free or paid traffic. This is what will show you where you are now and what you need to learn before you even start your own digital marketing business. Guys, I would like to see your comments. Share with me your thoughts and also let me know what kind of help do you need, and I promise to reply to you. Sounds fair? Last thing for today, if you are serious about making money online, you don't need to be alone. Join our free community for online entrepreneurs to meet like-minded people and get access to my weekly Zoom training sessions as well. You will find the link in the description.